Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both sides, a Google Sheet with a clear header row and a Make. Com account. Connect Google to Make. Com via auth so Make can act on your sheet. This avoids manual token refresh later. Once authenticated, create a new scenario and add the Google Sheets module, choosing the account you just authorized. Make sure to select the correct spreadsheet and worksheet. This tells Make exactly where to read or write data, preventing mismatched columns downstream. You now assemble the middle logic. Pick a trigger that fits your workflow, like watch rows or a webhook for real-time events. Once triggered, add Google Sheets actions, search, update, create, and map sheet columns to module inputs. Use Make. Comms functions to transform dates and numbers as needed. Add filters or routers to branch logic so only relevant rows proceed. This structure keeps operations efficient and prevents accidental overwrites. Once done, test each path with sample data. You finish by thoroughly testing and enabling your scenario. Run it with sample rows and inspect the execution log for parsed values, HTTP responses, and execution time. This reveals mapping errors. Schedule the scenario or activate the webhook for live use. Make sure auth scopes and spreadsheet permissions persist. If things go wrong, check that header names exactly match your mappings, confirm time zone and locale settings, and reauthorize the Google connection to refresh scopes. This solves most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.